Hello, this is an increase with a yarn over in Tunisian crochet. So basically how you do it, well, you start here with a Tunisian simple stitch and then you make a yarn over to create an increase to add a loop on your hook. See here, in the previous row I made a yarn over, you pull up a loop in this yarn over and then you keep on working normally here in Tunisian simple stitches, but you can make any type of Tunisian crochet stitch. It works well with a yarn over increase. So the yarn over adds a loop on your hook. For the return pass, nothing special. You start with a chain one and then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two systematically. So really nothing special. So you can make a yarn over leaning to the right or to the left, depending on where you create the yarn over, where you place the increase in your row.